there are tremendous opportunities for career in design. So there is a huge gap between the demand for design talent and the supply of design talent.
You can teach a craft online and make students revel in it and excel in it.
Things are changing all the time, and therefore upskilling is really required.
We are an education and learning company which is about creating student experiences, learning outcomes, and human connections. Our vision is to make design education accessible, affordable, and industry relevant to enable successful career transformation.
And Academy is a little different from the standard courses that are available.
It's got live classes and it's got your own time where you can learn stuff conceptually. And it's got assignments that you've got to do, which is close to real life assignments designed as a cohort-based course, right? Which essentially means that you will learn from the tutor, plus additionally you will also learn from your own cohort, your groups that you work with, your huddles that you do, and workshops that are a part of these courses.
We learn best with our friends, with our peer group, with people around us. And that's what we hope to recreate at AND. Across the courses, we want to bring in this interactive and collaborative quality to our learning experiences.
As a student in AND, I was taught by industry leaders. We had the design head of Oracle teaching us. We had Shiva sir teaching us. These were all really busy people working in really big companies. But we had the opportunity to work with them, collaborate with them. So that's an amazing opportunity I had.
I pursued visual arts for my undergrad, and I was also working as a freelance graphic designer for 2.5 years before I joined AND. I think this was the best decision I've taken education-wise so far.
The mentors, they made our classes so lively. We built that rapport. I still miss Rupali ma'am's kitab. It was a wonderful experience for me. I absolutely loved it.